Hey, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And today, when do you need a rugged laptop with an NPU? And you might be asking, what's an NPU? Well, it is the Neuro Processing Unit. Well, what the heck is that, Bob? Well, what that is an additional chip that manufacturers are putting on rugged computers to process huge amounts of data using AI. In the past, older units, you could use the CPU and GPU to process any data that was coming through. There wasn't a whole ton of data to deal with. And for most cases, and most of you, that's going to be sufficient to process the data. Like if you're processing some manufacturing data on a manufacturing line of speed, heat, and that sort of thing, the CPU and GPU may be fine. But what if you have a large amount of video that's going on and you need to be able to inspect the items, whizzing by the manufacturing line? The NPU can process that data a lot more efficiently because it was specifically designed to process large amount of data, whereas the GPU has been used to train AI models. The NPU is simply processing the data on models that have already been trained. That's when you need the NPU. Also, a good idea to have an NPU in processing large amounts of data in the field is if you have limited connectivity. So you don't have to be connected to the internet for your laptop to process data using AI. That's one of the advantages of having one of these units with an NPU chip inside. Some of the manufacturers that might have, that I know have NPUs in their newer units would be Getac. Getac's S510 comes to mind, where they have the NPU built in. Other manufacturers like Durabook have it, and Panasonic as well. And the other thing that you got to remember, so what are the real-time benefits? So you say, do I really need to go to the expense of having an NPU? Well, some of the real-time benefits would include time-sensitive data. Let's say you have some audio and video that you need to analyze right on the spot to see if there's any, alterations, malfunctions, whatever the case may be. Real-time data is very important. Some other things that you might want to think about and would be useful is in public safety. So police officers, EMS, fire departments, anybody like that needs to process video, photos, audio, data coming off of equipment, anything. That's when, and connectivity may not be there to connect to the cloud. That's when you need the NPU in your unit. These are just some examples. There's, of course, a lot more, guys. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys next week.